Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I will show you how to tag someone in a Facebook Reel. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile. Step 2. Next, scroll down and select the reel or video that you want to edit. Tap on the video to open it. Step 3. Once your video is open, look for the 3 dots option on the reel, tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. In the menu, select either Edit Reels or Edit Post, depending on your version of the app. Step 5. Once the reel editing screen pops up, look for the people icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to start tagging people. Step 6. Now you'll see a list of people you can tag. Simply select the people you want to tag in the reel. You can tag multiple people if needed. Step 7. Now finally, tap on Save top the right corner. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.